The first thing you need to do when you're going to make tofu eggs is, of course, to get tofu. So the best one that I have found to use is extra firm tofu or firm tofu. So this is not quite a half a block because I've already made tofu eggs earlier this week, but it'll be enough for what we're going to use it for. Now, the first thing you want to do is drain out as much water from the tofu as possible. You just want to crumble it up so that it will resemble a scrambled egg consistency. Indian black salt. And what this does is it gives the tofu a somewhat eggy flavor. Sprinkle this into your taste or to your liking until you get enough of a eggy flavor. Again, this is a salt, so it does give the saltiness that you need. So you don't need to season it with anything else unless that's what you want to do. Now, to get this and to have a yellowing effect, you want to put some turmeric in it. Now, the turmeric, you're only going to use enough to get the yellow effect that you want. The eggs that I made earlier this week, I actually put a little bit too much turmeric in it, so they came out a little bit too yellow. So now I'm just going to mix it up. The last thing you're going to do is cook the tofu until it heats up. You can use anywhere between 1 to 2 tablespoons of water because you just want to cook it. I do use nonstick spray. I try to alleviate that a lot in my food. So I'm going to use the water today. So we're going to just see, I didn't put a whole lot of water in the pan. I'm going to let that heat up for about a minute. And then we're going to go ahead and put the tofu in, cook it, take it out. And there you have it. You'll have your tofu eggs. As you can see, while it's cooking, it looks just like eggs. And again, I mean, you know, if you want to try, if you're trying to eliminate eggs out of your diet, does it taste just like an egg? Well, I mean, it doesn't, but it does get the texture, it gets the yellow coloring, and it also gets an eggy flavor. But it doesn't taste just like an egg. No, it does not. But it does a good job when you're eating a plant-based diet and you're looking for something to substitute. So these are warmed up enough. A couple of minutes and they're done. They don't take much longer to cook than an egg would cook on the stove that you're scrambling. There you have it, tofu eggs. Pretty simple, easy recipe, tastes good, great substitute for eggs. So as always, if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so that you will know when we upload new material. Now, if you are wanting to find us even more, we do have a Facebook group, and the group is Plant-Based Diet Run for Your Health. Again, the group is Plant-Based Diet Run for Your Health. We would love to have you as part of our group. So until next time, have a great day.